Direct examination, positive side.
Topic: legalization of drugs. Issues: would legalizing certain drugs reduce crime rates, or would it lead to increased addiction and social issues? So, we're on the positive sides, and para sa mga, yes, because legalizing certain drugs can significantly decrease crime rates by reducing the black market associated with drug distribution. For example, after marijuana was legalized in Colorado and Washington, drug arrests dropped by 94% in Colorado and 98% in Washington in the first year alone. This means fewer people are incarcerated for non-violent offenses, easing the burden on the justice system and law enforcement. In the US, states that legalized marijuana like Colorado saw reductions in arrests for drug possessions and fewer cases of illegal drug trafficking. This proves that legalization can take profits away from criminal organizations and reduce violence linked to the black market. Regulation also means safer products. When drugs are illegal, people risk buying unsafe substance mixed with dangerous chemicals. Legalizing and regulating drugs ensures quality control, which reduces overdose and health crises. So according to source, 2020 study from the American Journal of Public Health found that legalizing marijuana led a decline in drug-related arrests and a 13% reduction in violent crime near the U.S.-Mexico border, where drugs cartel previously operated. So, economic benefits also arise in 2021 U.S. states that legalized cannabis generated over 10 billion in tax revenue. These funds have been reinvested in public health infrastructure and education, benefiting society at large. Legalization allows governments to collect taxes on drug sales. For example, in Colorado, has generated millions in tax revenue from legal marijuana sales, which funds schools, healthcare, and public safety programs. The evidence shows that legalizing drugs doesn't increase addiction or social problems. Instead, it helps reduce crime, save lives, and benefits society overall.
Direct examination, negative side.
So, ang duga ay wala namang magandang epekto sa ating physical at mental health sa ating katawan. Bakit? Dahil sinisira lang nito ang ating mga katawan tulad ng yung pamamayat. Pag once na maka-intake na ito ng duga, mahahay. Kahit ano na ang gagawin. So dito, yung pag once na ang tao, makakumit na ng once maka-take na ng drugs, kahit ano-ano na ang gagawin. Tulad ng pagpatay sa mga bata. So, according to the former President Rodrigo Rua Duterte about problem of the rehabilitation budget, Duterte said, bakit hindi na lang patayin ang gumagamit ng duga o nagtutulak para mabawasan ang mga krimen dito sa Pilipinas.
Cross-examination, positive side.
About certain drugs, example is marijuana. Why? Ang marijuana is nakapasok po siya as sa tuwa. Taga na nikon is one siya illegal. Pa-illegal siya is kung atong i-abuse, pero ang marijuana, isa sa matawang marijuana is open to have our foods, paper products, textiles, molded plastics, body care products, and construction, livestock feeding, nutritional supplements, and essential oils and medicines. So, ang marijuana is kuhan daw, nanong nakaingon ng ubar na nanong nakaingon ng kitas na kuhan daw, ang marijuana daw kay ma-illegal siya kay tungod manggod sa mga tao manggod na kaingon na ay gani ang marijuana is actually panong gamiton para pangkuhan. So, another example sa marijuana is dako siya nakapang sa tuwa kay para maka-relax siya sa atong lawas, pero give kwarto sa tuwa na body health and makapawala ang stress. Ako sa certain drugs, sana ba is marijuana? Why? Ang marijuana is makatapang ko siya as sa tuwa. Taga na nikon is ano siya, illegal. Pa-illegal siya is kung atong i-abuse, pero ang marijuana, isa sa makatapang marijuana is kukuhan to have our foods, paper products, textiles, modern plastics, body care products, and construction, livestock feeding, nutritional supplements, and essential oils and medicines. So, ang marijuana is kuhan daw, anong nakaingon ng uban na anong nakaingon ng kitas na kuhan daw, ang marijuana daw kay ma-illegal siya kay tungod manggod sa mga tao manggod na kaingon na ay gani ang marijuana is actually panong gamiton para pangkuhan. So, another example sa marijuana is dako siya nakapang sa tuwa kay para maka-relax siya sa atong lawas, pero give kwarto sa tuwa na body health and makapawala ang stress.
Cross-examination, negative side.
So, what can you say about the gateway drugs? So, ang sunod sa gateway drugs, na siya yung most common gateway drugs. Muna ang tawag ito, alcohol, marijuana, o prescription, painkillers, medicine. So, marijuana, na siya, okay na siya. A person starts smoking marijuana and later moves to cocaine. So, muna siya, ang itawag na ng early exposure pa lang sa user na magamit of certain drugs. And then, alcohol, also known as heroin. An individual begins drinking alcohol and eventually progresses to heroin use. So, three na matawag ang stages na progression. Users seek stronger effects leading to harder substance use. And then, lastly, sa tobacco or marijuana. A smoker starts with tobacco and later tries marijuana. So, muna niya pagkatulog ang stages na may increase ang rate sa ka-user na gikan sa soft drugs, mo try siya mga patulong na sa mga harder na drugs. So, also, ang mga mga youths if we legalize certain drugs, the youth can easily access the certain drugs. So, when we talk, they are the teenagers that masulod silang muna na pinititigyan. So, they try some using drugs.
Direct examination, positive side.
For me, I have evidence to support that drugs can possible legalizing. In fact, according to the Pew Research Center, 88% of Americans support legalizing. Of those, 59% say it should be legal for medical and recreational use. Another is 30% say it should be legal for medical use only. In one way, to be legal, drugs. First economic benefits, and community programs. Legalization can generate tax revenue, which can be reinvested in community programs, including drug education and rehabilitation programs. Additionally, reducing drug abuse and related criminal activities. Two, undermining the black market. Legalization can undermine the illegal drug market. If legal ang droga, mas mas kapag legal ang droga, mas maliit yung mga na-restock kasi ang droga ay legal na. Dahil sa panahon na yun, ang ating bilangguan ay overpopulated na dahil ang yung iba ay yung mga kaso nila ay dahil sa droga. Kapag ito ay na-legal, hindi na mahirapan ang ating gobyerno kung saan sila ilalagay dahil yung binili nila na droga ay legal na. Paano ba sa gobyerno kung legal na ang droga, ano ba ang kailangan gagawin? Ito, ensuring quality and purity. Legalization could enable authorities to establish regulations and standards for drug production, ensuring the quality and purity of substance. Dahil yung black market na sinasabi nila ay yung droga ay mas pinalalaban lang or they generate another chemical substance that people take the drug, it could be a risk for health. By legalizing drugs, the risk can be mitigated through oversight and testing. Regulation and quality control. Legalization of drugs allows for the ensuring quality control and reducing the dangers associated with unregulated substance, which can lead to health-related crimes and unsafe drug practices. So sinasabi ko kanina na ang dapat kung maligan ng droga ay hindi naman gagawin ng gobyerno na ito ay dagdagan ng mas masisira na substance. Para ito ay legal, kung hindi, ang gagawin nila ay sinusuri nila ang purity, ensuring and the quality.
Direct examination, negative side.
Legalization of certain drugs. Kailangan po, kung legal ng drugs, talaga mga epekto rin sa mga kawa, sa mga banded drugs. Like an example, overdose deaths. Kung sa sobrang gamit ng drugs, muna makaresulta. Tapos, yung talagang issues, pansin mong mga kagawin, anxiety ka, depression, sama ng mga like family breakdown, talagang mga pambuhato na abuse, like sobrang mag-isip hindi lang kung gusto mo muna ako sa kanya ng drugs kayo muna wala, ilang taon na. Tapos so, mahinunin mo na government, marami sa population para sa kamutan. Unahin mo abot sa mga sa epekto sa tao. O, Pilipinas, hindi siya mga babay sa kamutan, pero sa tao tao. Ako yung makikita na, ay once sumukan sa drugs, malikan na, ang mga tao, lumanan, sige lang gamit, sige lang mga gamit sa mga drugs, hula, kasa na kayo mo. Naiwan ko na gamit drugs para lang sa mga, hindi sila, gamit sa drugs, wala. Tapos, naiwan na, masurahan na, matawag na atin. Tapos may iba, increase in addiction rates. Kung masura mga iba pag ako mas usapan na drugs, may gross tapos ako bakit na sila kung hindi pa pag-anak gusto talaga kaya anak may skill isa pa
Recross examination. Positive side.
Actually, makatabang yun mga drugs, like certain drugs like magic mushroom. Makatabang siya kay effective in treating depression, including treatment-resistant depression. Makakonyo siya sa depression sa tao, makawala. Then ang number 2, ecstasy kay makakonyo siya. Effective in treating post-traumatic stress disorder. Then, nakaisa ang cannabis, marijuana, maka-benefit siya sa tuwa, like alleviates symptoms of anxiety, depression, and PTSD in some individuals. Then, ang marijuana sa tiyan, maka-reduce yung chronic pain and improve sleep, indirectly benefiting mental health. Number 4 na certain drugs makatabang kay San Pedro cactus. It may reduce depression and anxiety by facilitating emotional processing and personal insights. Nandiyo certain drugs na makatabang dun sa tuwa. Then maaari po siya, sakto po siya na illegalize ang drugs kay Najib, makontrol po dyan sa gobyerno na pilay i-take nga dosage sa tao, then dili na, ang mga drugs dili na magtago-tago, like gobyerno na magpupot kung ihatag lang sa tao na hindi dyan tabang.
Recross examination. Negative side.
Legalization of drugs is not a good way. Addiction rates will rise. Legal access to normalized drug use will lead to greater illicit and devastating individuals, families, and communities. Crime would disappear, would shift. Criminal groups would exploit new markets, such as stronger, unregulated drugs or targeting minors. Additionally, addiction-driven crimes like theft and violence would increase. Societal costs would be numerous. Healthcare system would be overwhelmed and workplace would suffer from impaired productivity and safety risks. Legalizing drugs is not a solution. Instead, we must focus on education, prevention, and rehabilitation to build a healthier society.